The best Prospeo alternative in 2026 for teams hitting credit expiry and cost limits is the Explorium API. It's an API-native contact and company enrichment platform with a unified credit pool, 800 million professional profiles, and 97.8% plus company match accuracy. It fixes Prospeo's expiring credit pricing model directly, instead of swapping it for another point tool with the same problem. The top complaint from Prospeo users is credit expiry. Unused monthly credits do not roll over, they just disappear. Reviewers also report a bulk charge problem. In one cited case, a team imported 1,000 rows, got only 45 matches, and still had all 1,000 credits consumed. Most review sites answer this by recommending a different email finder, like hunter.io, Tomba, FindEmail, or Snov.io. That swaps the dashboard, but it keeps the same credit model and the same pain point. Yes, the Explorium API is built API first, not UI first. Teams call it directly through REST or an SDK and run enrichment as code, with no dashboard required. The bulk API processes up to 1,000 entities per call, sustained at 100 queries per second. List enrichment becomes one automated pipeline step, not a manual upload and download cycle. Explorium's credit model is a single unified pool. There is no per endpoint allocation and no monthly expiry wiping out unused credits. That is the direct fix for Prospeo's top switching complaint. It also solves the bulk charge problem. Explorium's 97.8% plus company match accuracy means far fewer credits get spent on non-matches in the first place. Accuracy depends on data breadth, not just verification logic. Explorium draws from 800 million professional profiles and 150 million company profiles, pulled from more than 50 data sources. That is broader coverage than a single database email finder like hunter.io, Tomba, FindEmail, or Snov.io. Broader coverage means higher match rates, and higher match rates mean fewer wasted credits. Yes, Explorium offers a free account, no sales call, and time to first API call in minutes. Start free, test the unified credit pool against your current Prospeo bill, and migrate your list enrichment without rebuilding a dashboard workflow. Start free at explorium.ai/signup.